cello stands. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the two I recommend. First off, this is the stand I'm talking about for your acoustic cello. Right here. It's wonderful. It's made of velvet interior. They come in different prices, 200 American, 200 euros, 150 euros. Made in China. You can get nicer ones with better, on the outside, better wood. But this is a standard thing you find in most luthiers across the world. Again, don't pay more than 200 euros or dollars for these things. I got this for much cheaper than that. And it's solid. It's been a workhorse in my studio forever. And the great thing about having that stand, you don't have to put it in your case, your beautiful cello. Your cello sits outside, always ready to be played. And that is my best solution for your acoustic instrument if you want it to be nicely displayed. But there's even a better, cheaper solution for not only acoustic cellos, but electric cellos too. This is of course, the Yamaha silent cello, electric cello. And behind it, what's hanging on is a Hercules cello stand. About 80 American, 70 euros here in Europe. And I have to tell you, for anyone going electric, this cello stand is an absolute must. Where do you put your electric cello when you're done? For those of you out there with this, where do you put it? On the ground, different places, on a guitar hook, which I have up there. But it's so much better to have this because it quickly locks into place. There you go. I'll show you this mechanism real quick. The reason why you want to spring and buy the Hercules cello stand is because of this mechanism right here. It's all right here. You see this? This is not the guitar one. This is built for cellos. I'll show you from this end right here. And when your scroll bit comes on this side and it drops perfectly into place, nice and protected. You can put your electric, a Yamaha. You can put your electric Ned Steinberger NS design 5-string or whatever string you want in here, nice and secure. Or you can also take your beautiful Italian acoustic cello, because it's built for that as well, and place it right there safely and securely. Because this cello stand has been built with the idea of having an acoustic instrument on it, it has protections on the outside. So there's pads. Everything is strategically placed to protect your beautiful acoustic instrument. I can place it here with no doubt whatsoever because the pads are here. Everything is perfect. But it's also versatile. For this electric instrument, with the end pin stand, even the cable, everything. This is what a working NS cello looks like. I use it every single day for my lessons and for writing music and for arranging and for playing myself. Take it, put it on the stand. There you have it. But there's one added benefit, which I find this instrument stand to be my preferred stand. And it has to do with where my bow is. Have you noticed something? My bow has been here the whole time. Now, if you have played the cello, where do you usually put your bow? On your music stand. And have you ever walked by your music stand and knocked over your cello bow? The answer is probably yes. And for those of you out there, how many of you have broken the tip off of your bow? And you have answered yes to any of these questions, then you need to store your cello bow in a way that it's not going to be accessed by anyone. And so this is what I always do. I have it on this little hook, which I thought was kind of weird when I started using this thing. It's a funny thing. I talk about the cello should be oriented to your left side, but that is in the very traditional sense of this instrument stand. But we're in a new world, electric. And so you can go to your right. There you have your bow. Everything is clean. Everything's out of the way. It's compact. So for those of you out there with instruments of any ilk, of any type, electric, acoustic, it will protect it. It is wonderful. It's called the Hercules cello stand. It is fantastic. I love it. It's portable. It folds up. And if you're looking for a gift for a cellist in your family or for yourself, because you have one of these instruments, get this stand. I hope you learned something today about cello stands, traditional ones, and, well, some built for the future. Like, share, and subscribe, and thank you again for joining me on your journey of music discovery. Bye-bye. Yep, that one's like way better than this.